Is it time to buy or sell Costco stock? In this video, we will explore Costco in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 9th of April, 2025, our system has identified Costco as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.67. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may occur within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 4.66% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 13.6% to positive 3.22%. Shifting our focus to the longer term, our 12-month analysis shows a projected change of around 27.69%. Based on our computations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 20.25% and 47.32% over the next year. In today's values, this would place the future price somewhere between $1,160.64 and $1,421.96. Our latest daily update for Costco includes the headline, "A very strong day for Costco stock price on Wednesday." The Costco stock price gained 6.21% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025. It rose from $908.75 to $965.19. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.73%, with a low of $898.01 and a high of $967.46. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.81% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day, along with the price, a positive technical sign, with 1 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 5 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.68 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $1,078.24, while the lowest price was $702. Currently, the price is 10.48%. We are $113.05. below the 52-week high of $1,078.24, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Costco Wholesale Corporation has reported an impressive 8.6% year-over-year increase in net sales for March, reaching $25,501 million. This growth comes amid rising economic uncertainty and higher living costs, showcasing Costco's resilience and strong membership-driven business model. While concerns over inflation have made consumers cautious, Costco's ability to attract shoppers bodes well for its prospects, potentially reinforcing investor confidence. However, despite this positive news, Costco's stock recently registered a slight decline of 0.91%, closing at $908.13. This dip indicates volatility in the market, especially in light of broader economic conditions and the impact of tariff announcements that threaten consumer goods pricing. Investors should remain aware of the potential short-term pressures on the stock due to these macroeconomic factors. In the long term, Costco's consistent sales growth and established market position suggest it remains a strong candidate for investment. The company's status as a safe haven stock amidst market fluctuations can provide stability for investors looking for reliable returns. As analysts continue to monitor the retail landscape, Costco's performance will be pivotal in shaping its stock trajectory. Overall, the positive sales report could help buoy cost in the near term, while the ongoing economic environment will be critical to watch for sustained growth potential. Currently, there are no recent analyst ratings available for this stock. To gather more insights, you may want to explore third-party opinions or conduct an online search. Analysts have assigned Costco stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts give the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Costco. The chart indicates mostly positive signals today. Costco stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship of these averages with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at 940.73 and 962.32. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 8.37%. Further gains are anticipated until a new peak pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, has been noted. The increase in volume alongside the rising price is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 20 days ago. Bollinger Bands also pointed to a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signaled a buy 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average reflected a buy signal 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average generated a sell signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Costco. Costco finds support from accumulated volume at $964.31. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences good trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $69.46, reflecting a rise of 7.73% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 6.27%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Costco, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at $4.22. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Costco. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Costco is at $965.25. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Costco encounters its first support level at $964.31. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Costco from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of March, 2025, Gary Miller conducted an insider sale of 1,100 shares of common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Claudine Adamo conducted an insider sale of 900 shares of common stock. On the 18th of March, 2025, Hayton Freights conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Roland Michael Vacris conducted an insider sale of 3,600 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Gary Miller conducted an insider sale of 1,147,255 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 12.598. Overall, insiders purchased 104,753 shares and sold 79,010 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $912.18, reflecting a decrease of 5.49%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 19 days ago. Is Costco stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we expect Costco to open lower by $21.64, starting at $943.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.